Wow, what a fine day, what a great day. It's early morning, a very beautiful day. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wow, it depends on the place you're watching me from. Today's video is a super special video, guys. I know you've been missing me, I have missed you too, and of course everything has been so fine, so mad, so fine, so wet and good. Of course today is a very fine day, guys. First, we have to give much thanks to Almighty God for this amazing great day of today, because it has started raining, guys, in Mombasa. Finally, yesterday night we received some rain, and that's how you see it's calm now, and even the intensive heat have started to go low, not as usual. So I'll just take this opportunity to thank you all, and also thank Almighty God for the blessing of the rain. And of course today is another amazing video that you have ever seen, and of course if you watched it to the end, you'll gain some knowledge over here. And should subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and leave us a comment. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. On the other end, you have been seeing me. I went a little bit, I left the family a little bit, but it was just to go have my ample time. But today again, I have to surprise them and apologize to them that, hey man, I left you for a couple of hours, but now I have to apologize to them. I want to gain some knowledge. You know, sometimes when you're traveling every single day, you have to learn some new things. So I went to a Turkish restaurant, and I learned to cook something. And also I went to an Italian restaurant, and also I learned to cook something. So today over here, I'll maybe rush to the market and go buy something that I've seen, because I bought some of the ingredients that I'm going to prepare, but I never got them all. So today, be much attentive to watch this video to the end, because you're going to miss a lot. You're going to miss a lot. Of course, I'm coming shooting this video from this beautiful balcony over here. Actually, at my balcony you'll be able to check on how everything is. That place looks like Savannah Greenland or Savannah Dryland, the Savannah grassland. You can say Savannah grassland over here. But on the other end, you might have to have the best amazing view, not only over here, but if we go to the rooftop also, you have some amazing rooftop. On the other end, they're also building a new house. Down here they have started also breaking the ground down here. That's why you see there's some trucks coming in and out. They bring some cement, some are bringing some ballast, some are bringing sand. So it's a sort of all things. It's a blessing. In Mombasa, it's the only place where I've seen a house can be built within a month. A story building like this can stand up within a month, and it's just like this. Like this house has been built in less than 6 months. Because they're building, stopping. But there's a house that they always go up with. I don't know which system they use, but a house can go up even within a month, and it's fully furnished, and people are staying. Power of money. In the morning, ukisakula kumba tungusa kumba. In the morning, ukisakula kumba tingisa kumba. You know that song? It's one of the best songs. But anyway, let's put that aside. We're going direct to their kitchen, so I want to start preparing breakfast for my family. And also, those will be asking, how is the baby doing? Baby is doing really good. She's really pretty, amazing. We give thanks to Almighty God. She's in good condition, good health, and she's starting to cope up with the humid environment over here in Mombasa, Kenya, because sometimes, you know, they might be born, they're coming to a new environment. In the environment in the womb, it's kind of different with the environment in real life situation over here. So she's coping up with the environment over here as she's growing up on the other end. So let's head back to our kabong, which is our kitchen over here, to our amazing kitchen. And of course we have to close the door because of the noise from the construction area, and then we open this window, and then we can keep on doing what we have to do. So today we are going in Italy without a passport. We are going in Rome without a passport. So today we will be preparing something special. If you have never seen this, this is it. So don't ask me now, what is that, CJ? Watch until to the end and you'll be having this. So let me return it over here. It's morning over here, and of course we have to prepare tea. We have to deserve cocoa tea. Anniversary in cocoa tea. Come on, man, just sing. You have to drink your first cocoa tea. So for now, we're going to have ginger tea, not cocoa tea. And rest in peace, region, that cocoa tea. You have been entertaining us every corner, up and down. You know that song? Come on, come on. That song, guys, comment down below. Just type cocoa tea and you'll be hearing that's his vibes about cocoa tea. Cocoa tea. So let's prepare tea over here. I think one jug will be enough.
That's a lot.
Okay, so half of this. So you know, guys, these people have been used to porridge. They have been used to porridge, and you haven't gone for a shopping for a while. Since that day you saw me going for shopping, so you haven't gone for a shopping. So our porridge flour is off. Our porridge flour is off. So we have shifted to tea until further notice. To tea and cocoa. So cocoa tea. You have to drink it in cocoa tea.
Tea is the beverage. And cocoa is not a beverage. So if you call it cocoa tea, it's like
Cocoa tea.
it's like cocoa and tea mixed.
No, guys, it's cocoa. Come and tell people it's cocoa tea. So you know cocoa. It's
The
like
flavor is tea.
no. I want cocoa tea. You know, you can say I want ginger tea. I want dawa tea. I want name all of those kind of leaves. These leaves or tea leaves.
Tea leaves. You see now tea leaves.
So I want kericho tea, like this. You know, we always have this. We have this kind of different types of tea leaves or tea bags. Hey, we have like we have tea bag like this. This is the Kenyan's finest tea bags.
It's like calling coffee tea.
Yeah.
It's like calling
Also, coffee is also tea.
No.
It depends. So like this is coffee. We also have some coffee over here. So the coffee, this one, ginger tea, ginger ale, they're also tea. But tea is tea. Let's say tea is tea. In short, tea is tea. You know?
Tea?
Tea is tea. So in that regard, therefore, let's add milk. You know, there are those who also start by boiling milk before adding water.
It is a lot.
This is not a lot.
It's a lot.
I usually wake up at night to drink tea.
You forget even
No,
nowadays. You don't
nowadays I
it
don't
gets
forget.
spoiled.
Guys, we have our lovely wife over here. Let her introduce herself.
Hi, beautiful people.
How are you?
I'm fine. I've come to micromanage him in the kitchen.
She's always micromanaging me. Where she sees me working, there's where you see her. You should have done this. She's like my grandma. Oh my god. Oh my god. Something can stay there for even 6 months, but the moment you try to squeeze it from here, to remove it from here to here, and she's on her watch, you'll be here, no, that's my grandma.
That's what
Sasa, nilikuwa nataka niitoe. Take it from there, put it here. And also if you're sweeping, the compound, then she'll be telling you, no, sweep inside there. And she's seeing you sweeping inside the flowers. Sweep inside the flowers, over here. And that compound maybe has been there for 2 or 3 days without being swept. So the moment you feel like you want to sweep it, so already she has therapeuted your mind.
I'm also like my grandfather. I'm just, even there's a time Sheila told me that I'm like my grandfather. I'm just exactly the same. I'm like
where you see people working, you want also to micromanage them.
Not where people are working. I want things done in a certain way. So I can find myself like correcting, like, oh no, don't do it like that, do it like this.
But the funny thing is they're not working, they're correcting without them working.
Yeah.
So that's the most funniest thing. Like, oh, I'm preparing tea.
I'm an instructor. Have you forgotten that I'm a teacher?
For example, I'm preparing tea. She tell you, oh, you're preparing tea.
I think it's also the skills that I have, like especially like teaching. You're taught like to always follow up on students.
Okay.
Like when I used to teach back then, I used to be like very thorough. Like I follow up on people, questions, homework, and all that. So you find yourself correcting all the time, everything. Cause
anyway,
it's just a skill I acquired.
That's our lovely wife here.
As a teacher.
Introduce yourself now.
As a technical.
People will be asking, why are you putting on specs in the house?
They do ask all the time.
But when I put it this way, my eyes start from the other end.
The brightness. Yeah.
But it's okay. Let's go home.
So his eyes are not bad. It's just like swearing them. So well, how we here, guys. Just in the house, taking care of baby and husband here, micromanaging him. not guys. It's not a terrible micromanaging. I'm just not all the time because I'm also not. Sometimes I don't pay attention. I'm paying attention on baby.
And tell us on the comment section what do you think about this? This was me who did this.
You're lying. I already put a video out there.
This was my sister who put this over here.
It is the sister who did this.
She tried. She really tried.
She really tried. Yeah. So guys, check me out. Subscribe to my channel, Faith Momai. Mean Howie. Ow. Mean Howie. Yeah. So okay, guys, check me out. Subscribe or Mama Maria, Mean Maria. I think I should say Mean Maria.
Mean Howie is so the name that has been used all the way.
How did you open another time for Mean Maria?
Yeah, Mean Maria. Open Mean Maria. Now Mean Maria will be a polite channel.
Why?
It will be no reaction with Mean Maria.
My why?
Mean Maria will be like, how I'm pampering my kid, taking my husband for a dinner for a day.
Even Mean Howie is a very polite channel.
Mean Howie is a very polite channel, but it's like it's like in motion.
How it started?
We have law in motion.
That's very hot.
We have law in motion that says that an object in motion is still until it's acted by internal forces or external forces.
Yeah.
So, like Mean Howie, it's an object in motion and it's still until it's acted upon external forces.
What's your point?
My point is, it's a polite channel until you poke something on it, like Nyeh.
Until someone pokes me.
So that's it. You see.
Does my character on my channel, does it reflect who I am in real life?
Not really, like in a bad way. Like sometimes you might be aggressive on the channel while addressing something, but in real life situation, very polite, as kind as a cat. Yeah, so something like that. Anyway, Kokoti, sister. Which thing does she use to
No, she makes coffee. No, it's not coffee. She makes cocoa. What do you want?
There's ginger tea.
There's no ginger. Ginger is finished.
We have ginger powder.
No, that's not ginger powder.
It's ginger powder. I bought these things. Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god. You know she has never been in the kitchen since.
I feel like my house needs me.
The house needs you.
I will get
back. For this I have to wash my hands because I touched your hair. Hygiene.
Please.
Hygiene.
Mr. Hygiene.
Hygiene.
Tell us.
Mr. Lover. Fantastic. Mr. Roman. Yo. Fantastic. Mr. Fantastic. Romantic. Mr. Fantastic. Romantic. Yo. Okay, guys, something like that. I'm not a dad. I know how to sing those kind of music.
You need to start singing gospel.
I need how to sing.
Or Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light on the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Baba Maria.
guy is a round of all things. So
he's an all-round guy.
Yeah.
And guys, he has added kilos. You see how his hands are now like
the hands are hanging as if I'm a robot.
As if he wants to fight.
I'm a Tesla robot.
His hands are now like this.
My hands are swinging sideways.
It goes for Jim to carry stones.
Oh, which stones?
Are they stones or what are those?
Those are weights.
Those are weights.
Yes.
But they're
All
called
a spoon,
stones.
a spoon.
But they're called stones.
They are stones.
The ones, the round things, guys. They're circle, the things when you go to gym and then you find the round.
No.
They are weights. They're called weights.
Those are weights.
They call them stones.
You continue calling them stones.
I'll go to gym also.
You go.
At
Yeah,
the
so guys, we have already added what we call like ginger. So we are adding a little of cocoa tea. Rest in peace, Regent cocoa tea. So from here, today I'm actually preparing for you a very special meal.
Okay.
That maybe you have tasted it, but in a different way. So me today I'm going to prepare it in a different way also.
I can't wait.
Kula bitano.
Hey.
All right, guys.
I've
See
missed-
you
I've
there
missed
as
my
we're
friends of
preparing
Kula
this
Bitano.
one. All right. Ooh, go home to your papa, go home to your mama. That's cocoa tea for us. Mm. Hey, come along. That cocoa tea sings. Imagine, babe. It's like you tells me, go home. Hey, what's the medicine of putting tea to go down?
Use the, like when this one is hot, use the other ones.
Which one?
The other burners, they don't have a lot of heat. Yeah.
You don't mean reduce it.
No, that's not reducing it. Reducing it is this way.
This way.
This way, babe. Let me show you. Okay.
I'm a Korean boy. I'm a humble African. So you know with us, we used to take sufurias from the 3-stone jiko. Like, down we do guys. Kokoti sings. Won't you go home to your papa, go home to your mama,
Too young to be my lover. Oh, that's cocoa tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Maria is awake already.
She's awake. I've heard her voice.
You have heard her When she's bored with something, she always say We some days I'll bring her on the camera, but I avoid some online bullies. Bully. So our tea is almost coming up. As you see it, our tea. Yeah. Let's check again. Tea is finally here. Guys,
So
you know.
this young girl here.
Guys, you know what? We have what we call like cloves and black pepper.
Cloves.
Yeah, black pepper and cloves. This is cloves. Do you know cloves?
I know cloves.
Yeah, very nice. So we have cloves here and black pepper. So we have to select between black pepper and cloves because I don't have what we call like something to pound it. Only in the village, but we don't have it here. So
She makes nice spiced tea. Can you show your face?
So she's making some spiced tea. So
She normally makes very nice spiced tea.
yeah.
Use these ones. They
Growing up, I was never used
This
to
is called
spiced tea.
dalasini.
in what stick? I don't know what stick in English.
You don't know it in English.
What stick in English?
There's something stick.
It's called black stick.
Yeah.
These are enough. They're enough.
Some we read to here.
They're enough.
You lick in English is?
Ilik. They're in Iric.
Eric?
They're called Iric.
Guys, they're forcing English like money.
They're called
I
Iric.
have to learn those spices in English.
In
Hey,
English.
I only know most of them in Kiswahili.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so let's try. I
So
want to,
they're going to pound them?
yeah, we're using a cooking stick.
Hey, when I went to the
Not a
village,
cooking stick.
rolling pin.
Rolling?
Rolling pin.
This is called rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Pin.
Pin, yes.
Can this be a pin?
It's a pin, like not. It doesn't. A pin doesn't have to be the small one, you know.
Yeah.
Like it can be a pin too, or maybe something big.
Roaring stick.
Assuming you have a hole here, so you can use
Chapati
this one as a pin.
Chapati stick.
It's a rolling pin. It doesn't necessarily have to roll chapati.
Who told you that?
There are other things to be rolled as well.
Teacher, teach me, teach me, teach me, teacher.
I will teach you.
Teach me, teach
I will
me, teach me,
teach you.
teacher. Teach me, teach me, teach me, teacher. Teach me, teach me, teach me, teach me, teach. Can the teacher teach you?
Before, I found my cup having a lot of issues inside. So now, so far, I found who the culprit is here, and another one. She's the one who taught him how to do it.
How to pond?
So my cup inside is broken. It's old, like
There's
it's
some
old.
ginger. Oh, yeah.
You
No, I
told me
used
that
I used the ginger powder.
Ginger powder.
Yeah. Teach me, teach me, teach me, teacher. Teachers don't teach fool. Teacher teach knowledge. Teach me, teach me, teach me, teacher.
Teacher.
I love reggae music.
Maria went up to sleep. Maria went up to sleep.
She's asleep. Okay, guys. So I'm trying to ponder it, and then we do what we call like we add it. It's okay. Why are you laughing? They are laughing at me.
They're laughing with you.
So this is part of cooking what we are going to cook. Okay. Okay. Time to put our cocoa tea inside the thermos or the inside the vacuum flask.
Thermos.
Guys, you know we have been used. Sorry, in the village we call it thermos. It's called thermos flask or vacuum flask.
And in the village, it's called thermos.
Thermos. Thermos. Little thermos.
Thermos.
It's here. So, me, I love tea, guys. I usually wake up at night, even at 2.
This guy, guys, let me tell you one thing. Oh my God. Every night he eats more than me. Every night he wakes up to eat. Like whenever the baby wakes up to breastfeed, also he goes to look for something to eat. That's what's happening.
And he's just calling us kula kula.
And he's calling us, he says that we are the ones who eat more, but he, in real sense, he's the one who eats a lot.
Kula kula.
Guys, these two ladies, they eat. So I usually call them kula kula.
No, we are the one who
So
eats.
they just
He's the
imagine,
one who
guys.
eats. Look at him, even he has added weight.
Look at his cheeks.
And also look at his clothes.
Imagine,
You
guys.
can go and look at the video when I left the village.
See.
Imagine, guys. Imagine, guys, when you just make a corner,
And
you
stop
find
putting your stomach inside.
You-
Just relax.
you find them eating something. When you just corner this way, they are drinking carbonated drinks.
I don't take soda.
Cocoa tea,
I don't take soda.
milk. Isn't it not
I take
carbonated?
milk.
So that even I'm tired. I call them kula.
No, he's not trying to press his stomach inside because his stomach apparently has been protruding outside. So he wants to.
This one it protrudes because I'm satisfied with what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
This one, I told you, it's just temporary. It's gone.
No, now, like I want you to relax and show people how your stomach is. Stop.
Alright, guys, our tea is ready. So tea is ready. So we are going to cook our food. That's our Italian pasta. So are you ready for this?
Stay tuned.
See you. Before people having this, it's good for me to go throw up the litters, the dust actually. Then we'll check what will happen. Okay. So let's go down and see how everything is throwing up the litters. Mostly it's full of baby diapers. Yeah, anyway, it has been raining and it's so nice. This is how outside looks like. Sunny a little bit and clean on the other end. You see. Yeah. So here is where we throw our litters, just like that. It goes from up. You must have some bean peppers. So when you have your bean peppers, you come throw them in there, and then you usually, when you dump them there, there's a truck that always come here. It picks the dirt, then it goes with. So yeah, at least I've just had some best. Our motorbike is there covered, and then well, everything is okay. All right, let's go. Guys, I came to buy coconut milk, but unfortunately I got rained on, and actually this is how you see the roads. We have the most poorest drainage system. trampoline. When it rains, trampoline. Stopped raining a long time ago. That's why you see it's this way. Bamburi, Kenya. Anyway, let's go and have our. So I was looking for other coconut milk, but I just got this. So let me go with this, and we'll see how it will be. All right. So it's time to go. Just have this. Just want to break monotony a little bit, but it's raining crazy. So let's head back and we'll see how everything will be, okay? Alright, see you. Look at this now. The most funniest thing and the great thing that I love about Mombasa is I just passed here a few minutes ago. It was really a lot of water on the roadside, but just look, it's now dry. It's now dry over here. The moment it's raining, a lot of water was on the roadside, and I was feeling as if the drainage is poor. But look, I just came from the supermarket from buying the coconut milk, but look, it's already dry and the sun is almost up and the temperature is also rising again. Mombasa, hey, magic. It's called magical Mombasa. So we just came back in the house. So oh my god, look at the motorbike, how it did the exhaust just burnt me when I was just trying to put on when I was trying to cover it up. So let's go and try to cook pasta. I got everything that I wanted. Now guys, it's time to prepare our pasta. This is the time now, as I told you. So it's time to make our dream come true. To prepare Italian. So I just got my corianders and is it capsicum and my coconut milk, and it's done. It's good to go. So let's prepare our favorite dish or our favorite meal ever. Cooking this for the family for the first time. They usually make a lot of noise, but anyway, let's try and cook it for the first time. All right, pasta. Yeah. So guys, I'm trying to chop or cut the onions a little bit. Just chop them into smaller pieces well, because our pasta is almost ready. When you see me chopping the onions this way, understand that our pasta is almost ready. So this is how to prepare cooking the Italian pasta. On this we'll also prepare Jamaican. Let me also know at the comment section more of the suggestions of how you also cook your, or how you usually prepare your, pasta, your everything. You just need one big tomato like this. One big tomato. Then we slice it in a halfway. Put this here. This one should be here. This one should be there. Then let us deal perpendicularly with this. Cut your smaller pieces. You chop them into small. You make sure they are very small, so that they can give you the best time for them to be into the paste. slowly by slowly. I think this is ready now. Power off this. Power that way. These are ready. So let's prepare. So you make sure your tomatoes are all chopped into small. Instead of, there are some who uses tomato paste. There are those who don't use tomato paste. So you prepare that way. Okay. This one is ready. So let's add oil, cooking oil, everything. We fry everything and then I'll show you how everything goes. Okay. So we are just frying the onions. So as you fry the onions, also make sure you chop your capsicum, your green capsicum, or the belly pepper. They call belly pepper, green pepper, but for me I call them capsicums. This one in Swahili I call pilipili hoho. So you chop them a little bit. You also add. You make sure also you are having your coriander ready as it goes on. You make sure you chop your corianders into small. If it is a wish, you can blend it, but it's well served when it's chopped. When you chop it this way, it becomes very nice. So but that you deal with your onions little by little. Make sure that they are almost into golden brown. Your onions are turning into golden brown. That will show you the best way. So we are multitasking, cutting this, so that yeah. So you chop them slowly. That's the way you see it. Just like that. Yeah. So they're okay. Just for a moment, then you'll add your tomatoes and then you stir it a little bit until it becomes a very nice uniform. So, just like that, they're okay. So you add your tomatoes. Just add your tomatoes, then you lead it. You lead it just like that for a couple of minutes, then until they become soft or tender. Then you stir them again until it becomes a very nice tomato paste. Then you add your pasta. Then you add your coconut milk. And then you serve your pasta hot, very well and nice. Okay? Yeah. This is what I was meaning, until it becomes this way. You see, there's not anything, so the tomato becomes very into paste form. And the tomato is in a paste form this way. You now add your pasta inside. And then it becomes very nice and red. Yeah. Let's add our pasta. So The moment you have added your pasta this way, make sure the tomato paste is evenly distributed towards the all pasta. Make sure that all well distributed, and also you avoid them to be, you avoid to mash them. You avoid the moment you are doing what you call like you are stirring, avoid mashing them. So yeah, until they are this way, they are in this form. So when they are on this form, you can add your coconut milk a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit. How these things are made. Then, oh no, it's crazy. It's gone. So you add your make sure your coconut milk is enough. After adding your coconut milk, stir it well again. Stir well again. Stir well for evenly distribution of the coconut milk. Then afterwards you can add your coriander. Just add your all corianders in. Just like that. And then just stir a little bit. Hopefully you're learning and you're seeing this. Just stir it, just like that. Just a little bit so you avoid smashing them. Just like that. And then you start feeling the best aroma coming up from these ones. Then avoid them of being overcooked. So you avoid them to make them too much overcooking, so they just become this way. So the moment they are this way, they are very, very much okay. So they are almost ready to be served. They can be served with your favorite drink. It can be water, it can be juice, it can be tea, it can be coffee, whichever. So also these ones can be eaten by using fork. It can be eaten using bare hands. It can be eaten using spoon. It can be eaten using chopsticks. So it depends with the formula that you eat. So these ones, I'll just have some what we call like some marks from my wife and my sister, so that they can taste and tell me how it tastes. Okay? Yeah. So guys, I'm here and I want just to serve my sister some of this pasta, so that she can tell me can I give you many or little? Little, these are enough.
No, they're men.
Okay, just in okay. Okay. Because she's rushing, she wants to go to school. You want to use spoon?
Yeah.
Or fork or hands? When you go to school.
Oh Lord, bless this food, amen.
You know, always that she doesn't want to eat. I don't know why. She always feel like I always force her to eat. I always force her to eat. So like now, I'm forcing her to this side so that you can. They're bad.
It is tasty. They're yummy.
Mouth watering. That's my sister's review. Should I be cooking this every day? But we as men, we need to eat ugali.
No, this one.
This one I'll be cooking for you guys, and it's just once in a while.
Guys, he really knows how to prepare this. It is sweet, tasty, yummy.
Have you ever tried this?
Yes.
Where?
Grandma, don't you remember that?
Oh, grandma,
Yeah,
yeah.
I used to.
Actually, my grandma taught me how to prepare this. Grandma, Bibi, you see Bibi. Bibi is an international chef. Actually, she used to teach me how to prepare this, and they look.
She used to go and
Yeah.
buy.
Yeah.
And most of the time she used to stay in Nairobi.
Yeah.
Not the time that she could come back home.
Yeah, she could come with this.
these ones and she could prepare them.
Yeah, for sure. Actually, she used to work in Nairobi as a house
Nanny?
help or a house manager. Can I say so? We cannot say like as a house help, as a house girl, because by that time she was not that much old, but she used to come with them when she used to work in Nairobi and come out with them, and she used to prepare it for us. So I was like, let me master it. Nowadays I prepare it very well. Right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now it's time for my lovely wife Minhawi. So for now it will be Min Maria, and yeah, she's on phone. The moment she finish it, then she'll be giving you her review about pasta for the first time. Hey, you love. I told you guys, these people with the carbonated drinks. Now look, I call them kunywa. Look, they love carbonated drinks. You'll grow big.
No, he's the one who loves this. Let me tell you, he told me that this Mountain Dew is for him. I should not drink it.
But why are you drinking it now?
Because I'm thirsty.
Drink water.
No.
You know me, guys, I drink them and I usually go work out. I sweat, and then it's just
Me
all
too, I
there.
work out.
Where?
I usually walk from here up to the place I'm taking the motorbike to school.
Walking.
That is an exercise.
Hey, you're just joking. Okay, guys, that's it. And yeah, let me serve Minhawi, our lovely Miss Faith. All right. Now it's time to serve the mother of the house. My favorite. You want a lot?
No, dear.
Small?
Bit by bit.
Okay, like 100 spoons?
Is that even realistic?
Yeah, 100 spoons. Yeah.
Okay.
You
Big
say-
spoons or small spoons?
Yeah, and also if my friends will be here, they will enjoy it.
Yeah.
I really just cooked a lot so that I'll just eat it with friends also. You know, it's Ramadan time, and when it's Ramadan time, when it's iftar, you share food. So I just cooked a lot, and then when my friends will come also, I'll just share it with them. And yeah, and also let me know in the comment section at this month of Ramadan, have you shared anything with anybody around your community or around your neighborhood? Let me know in the comment section. If it's free, yes, well and good. Then not a must you comment down below, because it's a secret way. Yeah, so are you ready? Hey baby mama.
Yes.
How are you?
Hi.
The baby is babying.
The baby is baby.
Okay.
Oh my god.
The baby is babying. The baby is babying. The baby is
Baby.
the baby is
I see the
sucking.
baby is here. So she's part of the video
She's
today.
part of the video.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, it looks yummy.
Looks
Why? Delish.
yeah, she looks delish. So the baby is sucking, or she's breastfeeding. So this one is called pasta. It's an Italian food.
Okay.
So I traveled to Italy
You went to Italy? Oh, nice.
in the dream, and I was like, today let me come back and prepare something Italic,
Hey.
Italish.
Italic?
Yeah,
Italic.
and also the other day when I went to a Turkish restaurant in Istanbul without the
Oh
passport,
my god.
and I tried
You're
some.
such a world traveler.
And I tried some Turkish food
How many countries have you been to?
with the dream.
I don't know, whichever.
With the physically, I've been to almost 20 countries
Almost.
repetitively.
Repetitively. Okay.
Repetitively, yeah.
Mhm.
But with imagination, I've been to over
Yes.
Imaginatively.
Imaginatively.
Yeah, imaginatively.
That's
So
all, it's allowed.
yeah, so recently I imagined that I traveled to Turkey,
And
to Italy.
to Italy.
So I tried the restaurant. So the only thing that is
It
lacking
looks
here,
delicious. It looks. It. Wish
Yeah.
it had some cheese.
yeah, the only thing that is lacking is cheese. So
He's such a chef, guys.
yeah, so
He's such
just
a-
I want you to try it
okay.
so that you can yeah.
Okay.
So guys, let me have the baby, carry the baby, and her try the food, and she can tell us how it is. Okay.
Guys, oh my god. Oh my god, it's delicious.
Really?
Oh my god, I can eat all. Actually, cancel, your friends should not come. I'm going to eat all of it.
Oh come on!
No more friends.
They must.
I wish we had some stew or some chicken or some
Oxtail.
oxtail.
Oh, nowadays I've missed the oxtail. So just
We need to
go.
get
I
oxtail.
think by this week I'll go, because it's almost very rare to find it. People usually scramble for it. If you don't make order, it goes. So yeah, I just will make an order for this week. So you can
Yeah,
have
oxtail
more.
is the best. Actually, we
more.
stopped buying beef. We just go for. Actually, oxtail is beef,
Yeah.
but it's the best.
Yeah, and it's so
And-
more way nutritious.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. Oh my god, this one.
You're in Italy now.
If you're a serious friend and you're intending to come, please cancel your plans. I'm going to eat all your food. Thank you, my love, for making this.
You're welcome.
It's very delicious, and thank you for always taking care of me.
You're
I don't
welcome.
take that for granted.
Thank you, baby.
I appreciate.
Yeah. Baby saying like, I want.
The baby's in support.
She was like, I want.
Mm-hmm.
You want? Okay, let me give it to you. Okay.